Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, the AI Tech Central. Today's video is all about AI software and how we can use it to create animated videos about pretty much any topic. In today's video I will show you how to create animated YouTube videos just using ChatGPT and Steve.ai from start to finish in roughly 5 minutes. Like and subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this. So we'll first start with ChatGPT to write a script. We'll ask ChatGPT, what are 10 interesting not so popular health and fitness facts for your YouTube channel? Once the list has been generated, simply pick the facts you find most interesting for your video and ask ChatGPT to write 50 to 70 words for your chosen facts. You can then copy and paste this into a Word file or Google Doc, and this is why I recommend either using Grammarly or Quillbot because this can help significantly improve your script. It can also help guarantee your video does get monetized because ChatGPT sometimes copies from other websites word for word. Now I've already put my script through both of these just to save time on the video, however it is not a must, and if ChatGPT gave you a script you are happy with, we can progress with that. So you will then head over to Steve.ai. If you like to use other websites such as InVideo or Veed, that's completely fine, but for this video we're using Steve.ai. So you head over to the website, you sign up. If you don't already have an account, I've created a new account to show you this can be done all free of charge. You'll then be brought to the dashboard, and depending on what kind of video, you'll click on the option. You can do blog to video, blog to animation, text to video, but for the sake of this video we're doing text to animation. You click on text animation, and because we're making an animated video type, it will be animated video. Then we'll go for the explainer video because we're explaining the facts in this video, and in the category we will pick gym explainer video. This will create a sample script. You just want to get rid of all the text. And once you've cleared the sample script, all you want to do is simply copy and paste your script from the Google Doc and make sure that the text aligns with each scene. Then you also want to pick a title for your video, the type of video, animation video, that's great, source all, and for the voiceover, if you'd like to add one, you can have it in English, accent, female, Joanna. If you'd like to listen to the voice, just click on the play button.
Hello, I am Joanna from Steve. I'm one of the voice.
I'm happy with that, so I'll click generate voice. If I'd like to add some highlights, I'd just tick that. Then that's all. If you're happy with the scenes and the text, you just simply click on next. Now all you have to do is click a template for your video. This one seems like a good one for the gym, so I'll go with that one. All you have to do is wait for the website to generate your video and the text. And after that, it's generated a video for us. If you'd like to change the color of the background, you can do so here. You can also add transitions to the video if you'd like, and you could also increase the scene time. But now, let's just play our video to see what that has turned out like. And let's have a look at this.
DOM stands for delayed onset muscle soreness, and it typically peaks around 48 hours after intense exercise, indicating that your muscles are adapting and getting stronger. HIIT, high-intensity interval training, workouts are an effective way to burn calories.
And so just like that, we've fully created a video that's ready to be uploaded to YouTube, and all you have to do is click on publish, and then select the appropriate size for your video, and make sure it's an MP4, and click download. And so now that you can download your video, you can either upload it to Canva to add a few more features, add a few more text, but at this point it's pretty much done and ready to be uploaded. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe and come back to my channel for more AI content. Thank you.